Hello, welcome to another unboxing. Today we have Knitcrate from November box, and I already unlocked there. I requested a specific color, but they didn't have the real color when they were doing the preview, and they only say that it was kind of like eggplant color, and since I didn't have any eggplant color, I wanted to have that. The other ones I think were like blue and light colored. I'm not sure. Anyway, so let's open. This makes like a little shadow here. Always I have that problem. And ooh, really nice. Oh, it's so soft. Finally, the previous one, I don't know if I told you or if you watched my video, was one that is more like alpaca, and it was not so soft, and it was a little thick for my taste, to be honest. This one, oh my gosh, it's so soft. This is the color is beta, 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca. The composition is very close to the other ones that I have, a red one. Really nice, and you can use needles 8 to 10 or 5 to 6 millimeters. Perfect. I don't know if you can see this. Come on. There is. Sorry, my light. It's getting really gloomy now, and it's not so easy to get light now. So let's open. Ooh, beautiful color. I think I will have to match with maybe white. We will see what I have, because I have different other options. I try to, if I don't have anything that will go right now, I try to wait until I have my next box and see what other colors they have, and then I can combine the colors. What else we have here? All natural herbal infusions. Ooh, tea. Ahmed Tea, London. We are a bird family with your generation of passion for producing the finest tea. Tea lovers in over 80 countries enjoy especially blends and call Ahmed tea their favorite tea. Ooh, look at these. Mango, strawberry, and blackcurrant. I will be honest, I'm not so much into fruit tea. I like more like chai teas and other flavors, but I will be trying this, and nothing better than just have tea while you're knitting. I love this. We will see. This is a black tea. We will try. Mango. This is more like a summery taste for me, so maybe I will wait for trying this. But thank you so much. I really was wanting to have this kind of goodies on my box. I miss when Knitcrate used to send like a little treat with your bag. Sometimes it was just a candy, and for some reason I love to have my little candy with my goodies. It's me, I know. This is the magazine that they send, Knitcrate Inspirations, and the colors are here. So hard to see the colors. Let's see here. So as you see, the color that they put on the box, on the pictures, were not exactly the colors that you get. This is more like eggplant color, and that was the reason I wasn't sure if they were sending me a real eggplant color or they were sending me something like the previous one. Let me show you. On previous box I got this one, and I was afraid that they will send me something that will be too close, but I'm so happy with this yarn. The color is beautiful, really beautiful. The other options were this light blue, and already I have from another similar color, and then I have another light blue that I got, and then the other was like a gray that, if you remember the previous box, I got a light color too. So my best option was to go for that. I love to be surprised, but when I know that I will be maybe getting colors that I already got, and you cannot combine sometimes those colors, like if I got that one with this, it would not be a good thing. Anyway, I got what I wanted. And for the sock yarns, they have these 3 colors. I still thinking that they went too much on the same colors that they went before, and I'm still happy with my color. What options they have for me? So they have crochet shawl. These are for socks. These socks are really cute. Oh, these are good too, but both of them. Then you have a hat and mitts. Pretty. And then it has all the instructions for the next month. It's a greenery, and the colors here, I will have to think what color. Maybe something that will go with these. The other challenge is like sometimes you get these was so similar to all these, practically the same composition between the 40% superwash merino, 30% silks, and 30% alpaca. It was almost the same composition, so they got good. But maybe I get something like this one. This was 100% fine Peruvian Highland wool, and honestly, it's not so soft. I love wool, but this was not the softer one, and it's very thick, if you see. So now I have to find one that will go good with this. I think I have one, but we will see. So the colors that they have, greenery is for December 19. I'm surprised that it's no more like Christmas colors, but it's good. And it shows from browns, orange, this must be like a purple, 2 purples, greens, and then it's like a moss green. We will see what they give us, but that's all that I got in my box, and it's really cute. Now let me show you what I got, or what I did this month. Since we're talking about these 2 colors, they belong to 2 different Knitcrate boxes from different months. And what I did is combine this one with this one and another black that I have from long time. And I made a sweater. I will be putting pictures so you can see better. I like to do this kind of, I did with this kind of neck that is like turning there, and I like it that first I was doing just the 2 colors, and then I noticed that it's like, oh no, I rather to do like more variation than just 2 colors, and that is the reason I went with this. The instructions are very simple. I put 90 stitch to begin. Then I did elastic. The elastic was 2 knit, 2 purl, and then on the lines, the colors here, for this one I did 14 rows, for the black one 4 rows, and for the red one 10 rows. So that is the way that I did. On the sleeves I tried to follow the same, but sometimes it can be a little variation, and I wanted to do a very thick sleeve, something that you can put something on under, just layering, and it will works good. So that is what I create, and my dog took care of the little papers. Usually I keep the paper, like this is the black one, so I know how to wash and everything, but I have the instructions here, and in that way if I need to wash, I know that it's hand wash, how I have to take care of these. Love it. And that is what I did with the 2 boxes of Knitcrate, and trust me, it's the best way. I use exactly what they gave me, and I have leftovers. The same with the black one, and I maybe can do a little sock or something. I will combine a lot of my leftovers with to make socks later. And let's see what else I did. Since it was the month of Halloween, I showed you that I was working with this kind of yarn. I wanted to do these socks, but I didn't follow the instructions, and I wanted to do it just free by myself in whatever way. And look at this. You can get so different patterns from one to another, and I'm happy about that. You know that it's the same pair of socks, just doesn't go in the same way. What I like more, I'm not sure. I think I like this that has like more variation of colors. I like this kind of weird look, and this one is interesting in the way that it went to create this form and then get the form in that way too. It's pretty chunky sock and very comfy. It was perfect for Halloween to with kids and everything, so I can walk. It's not perfect. It's like I don't have a lot of instructions how to do socks, so I did what I learned in watching videos, and I'm still having a lot of leftovers. It's almost the half of the yarn that I have for this. Maybe I will do another pair and we will see what happens. Maybe I get 2 of this and 2 of this. You never know. But this was the socks. This pair of socks that I really love. It's really warm, very nice. It's not so soft like the others, but you know, it's socks yarn thing, so usually go in that way. Let's see what else. I finally finished my class with my quilting class, and I was able to finish all the quilt. It has a back side now. I learned how to do it, and I actually shared a video doing a little runner that like this one, but for Halloween, and that was another project that I did, and I didn't thought it would be necessary to show here the runner, but I will put some pictures. This was really nice to learn how to do it. I enjoyed, I have fun, and I will be doing more stuff. We talked with the teacher, and I think we will be doing another class and try to build something different. But trust me, it's relaxing. It makes me feel good doing this, and it's a warm thing. It's really warm. It's a small quilt, of course. It's like a personal quilt. So when I'm sitting in my chair, this is perfect. I can cover with this when I'm feeling cold, or in this winter. Works amazing. I hope you enjoyed this one. And now let me show you what I'm working on. I don't know if you know these projects. The name is Busila, and they are felt projects that you build following just the instructions. Usually it comes as instructions for how to get everything together with numbers. Then also comes with what kind of stitch you have to use. Is everything made by hand, and they have the felt comes like this that you have to cut, and they will give you instructions and parts that you have to cut, and when you have those parts you have to just put together. They give you all the thread that you need, the colors, and also all the sequins to put together. I'm still working on that, and then all that you have to do is like they will show you where you have to sew there and where you have to put the sequence. Like here, all this means that you have to fill that sewing the lines, just lines like this. Here is one of those that is like sew the lines the lines, and then the sequence, and this one was in the center, and then you go putting together all of those. For the future, if you see here, this will be the ring. This is one of these, and it has 2 leaves that will be coming like that, and you will go on the ring, and maybe you can have also, I see an extra one. They give you so many of these, and if I want to have like that, and another one just coming from there, and then you can just keep adding. You will be creating your design, kind of following what you have on the picture to make easier, you know. I haven't finished everything, so I'm still working, and everything will go on the... It's not the first time that I do this. I did create before for Christmas and Halloween, and I really enjoyed these projects, and more when I was my husband was in the hospital and I was doing this. It was very distracting. I create my own area of crafting, and I was just distracted, and a lot of times the nurses came and looked what I was doing. What I used to fill this? I put a long time ago, so you see that you really don't use a lot, the Polyfill Premium Polyester, and it's just very soft, and it's just to refill all these little things. This one maybe will use more, the ring. These were the only ones to fill in this way, and then I have the little part that goes in the top, and it has marked there that it will go stitched there, you know. This is one that I am doing. As you can see, I did all the sewing there, and where you see the little dots is where you will put the sequins. You have all the colors of sequins, and it's pretty easy, very nice. And that is all that I have for this month. For some reason I think that I did more than other months, but it was really exciting. Or maybe this month was longer between Knitcrate and Knitcrate. I don't know what to tell you. I feel like I accomplished more than other months. I feel good about that. Anyway, so this was the unboxing for Knitcrate. Beautiful color. It's so shiny and soft. I love it. I love it, really. And I will wait to taste this tea. I feel like they are more like summery tea, but I have a lot of tea to try. Trust me, I keep trying and trying more and more tea. And that will be everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed of this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.